Cop S2s. Eddie's one is fairly standard, except for the broken nose, and mine's got lots of marks and dank dents, but it's still flying. But we'll show you guys, the 2600 actually fits in here. Eddie, would you mind turning that thing belly up? This is what we've been flying with, and you get a decent amount of flying time, close to half an hour. Okay, so it's the whole cargo bay. The sun is a bit awkward now because we're out here at the airfield. But it's a Chinese 2600 milliamp battery. 40C. So the flying time is much longer. We can go longer than half an hour, I suppose, if you're more careful on the throttle. But so that's it, guys. It does fit, it does fly, and we'll do a quick takeoff. If Eddie can take off for us. Let's just see the range that it takes to get in the air. Bit of a southeasterly wind, so we are taking off into the wind, maybe 5 or so kilometers per hour. And let me get a better angle here. The sun is just a bit awkward, so all the shades and the stuff. Okay, pop it. And there we go. Easy as pie. Does take off very easily. Nothing dramatical. That's it, guys.